Galle Fort is a historic fortress located in Galle, a coastal city in the southern province of Sri Lanka. Here are some key points about fort history. Galle Fort has a rich history dating back to the 16th century when it was built by the Portuguese in 1588. Later, it was fortified by the Dutch during the 17th century and further developed under British rule in the 18th century. Architecture. The fort is a remarkable example of European colonial architecture blended with South Asian traditions. It features sturdy ramparts, bastions, and intricate gates, along with narrow streets lined with colonial-era buildings. UNESCO World Heritage Site, Galle Fort was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988, recognized for its historical significance and architectural heritage. It is one of the best preserved colonial fortifications in Asia. Attractions. Within Galle Fort, visitors can explore various attractions, including the Galle Fort Lighthouse, Dutch Reformed Church, Maritime Museum, and numerous boutique shops, cafes, and galleries housed within the fort's walls. Cultural hub. Galle Fort has become a cultural hub, attracting artists, writers, and tourists from around the world. It hosts cultural events, art exhibitions, and literary festivals, contributing to its vibrant atmosphere. Scenic views. The fort offers stunning panoramic views of the Indian Ocean and the surrounding area, making it a popular spot for photography and leisurely strolls along the ramparts. Overall, Galle Fort stands as a testament to Sri Lanka's colonial past and continues to be a symbol of cultural heritage and resilience.